Welcome to RAISINS.live, your all-in-one platform for experimental data analysis. To get started, go to Statistical Genetics and choose Diallel Analysis, Griffing Method 2. Tap Get Started to reach the login page, then enter your email and password to sign in. Once you're in, go to the Analysis tab. Click Browse to upload your data file. After uploading the file, you need to select the model. Then select the Parent 1 column next. Select the Parent 2 column. Next comes Replication column, and then select the variables. If any of the observation needed transformation, click for transformation. Click Run Analysis to generate your results. You can download the output in Word, PDF, or HTML formats. In the Traitwise Stat tab, combining ability effects matrix and mean matrix are available. A detailed individual tables for SCA and GCA is shown when you click Show Detailed Effects. Heterosis, heterobeltiosis values are given in the Heterosis, Heterobeltiosis tab. In the Heterosis Core Plot tab, you will get Advanced Plots, Mid-Parent, Heterosis Yield, Mid-Parent Heterosis Network for Yield, Heterosis Crosswise Plot, Combining Ability Plot. For presentation-ready visuals, head to the Basic Plots tab. All plots are fully customizable. You can customize them according to your needs. In the AI Interpretation tab, RAISINS Assistant provides clear and insightful summaries of your data. If you have any doubts, click FAQs. Get started with RAISINS.live and make your data speak.